What's up? What's going on, guys, man? Chill with 704 Racing in the house, checking in, man. So y'all, I've been telling y'all to stay tuned. You know, the car is at the shop. I'm at my man's shop right now, LSX Tuning and Performance, doing some work on the car. So I thought long and hard. I wasn't sure if I was going to post this, but you guys know the car's been down for my last run, track run back in October. Just like business, you know, waiting on a lot of stuff to come in, parts, etc. Backed up. Had to get a new block. That's where we at. And so they finally got the motor out, and then, you know, as they say in racing, you know, there's a little more damage than we thought. So you know, the wait's gonna be a little longer. Gotta order some more stuff. So y'all definitely y'all follow the channel, Chill with 704 Racing, man. Appreciate the love so far. So I'm going for that 1,000 mark this year. So man, y'all help me build the channel, get up to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all follow the build, man. So I'm gonna give you some shots of the motor from the day. So y'all check me out. Peace. What's up? What's going on, fam? Chill Wheel 704 Racing checking in up here at the shop. LSX Tuning and Performance that's working on the car. Quick update. You know, you guys know we're having the motor some work rebuild on the motor. New block, and of course, you know, once we got in there and got the motor out, looks like there's additional work that's gonna have to be done. It's funny, I still, as you can see, last time I tracked, I still got the skinny zone, the slicks on. Still got my number when I was tracking. This goes back to October 22. Good noise in the background, but so it's been a little minute, as always in this line of work. Waiting on our parts, backed up, etc. So they're getting around, getting things to that next phase, but turned out a little more damage than I thought. Here's to take a look inside here. Got the motor out. Well, looks like we're gonna need some more work. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give you some more footage. All right, people, what's up? I'm back. And we got, see, we damaged it. We got a hole here. Hole on both sides. I think it turned out piston 6 went straight through. Let's look at the heads. So like I said, it turned out with a little more worse than we thought. You know, actually last time tracking going down. Went through the light, third run. Made a good pass, made a good hit. Actually tracking that day, I think this happened on my third pass. So, you know, you don't want it to happen to you. You know, first major incident for me, which is unfortunately turned out to be the worst case scenario. Let's take a look at this the intake over here. We got the blower here. Get that out. I'm gonna get some help to get that. I'm trying to do this thing in one hand and get some help to get that thing off. Yeah, as y'all can see there, that's all pistons up in there, all piston. So, let's stay tuned. Want to give you guys an update, man. Y'all follow the build, man. Follow the channel. Chill Wheel 704 Racing. IG, Facebook as well, man. So, getting warm, so I'm trying to get back out to the track, give you guys some footage definitely on the drag racing. and follow my rebuild that is, I guess, and we'll see for the next phase of the Chill Wheel 704 ZL1. All right, guys, here we got the new you've seen the old, we got the new block here now put together there. Like I say, y'all stay tuned, follow the channel, man. Y'all follow the deal. Chill Wheel 704 Racing, man. Of course, I got my man Steven with LSX Tuning and Performance. Been working with about 8 years. Got a feature on the YouTube channel too. I think a July feature of Steven. Y'all be sure to follow the channel and check him out. Check his place out, man. Y'all give him some love. All right, appreciate y'all. Got the new heads coming at you guys. Gonna be the new heads. All right, cool.